Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to use OSNAP in AutoCAD. Now I'm turned off all the OSNAP. Let's create a rectangle. Then let's make a circle from the center. I don't know where is the center because the OSNAP is off. Now I want to create them again with OSNAP. The shortcut is OS. Then press on space, and all of the snap is off. Let's select all. We select all of them, then press OK. Now let's draw this again. Let's make a rectangle, then let's make a circle. If I point from the center of this line, I have like a snap here, and here is the center. And now I can make the circle. Or if I want to this point or this or the center or this point, all the snap tool is on.